Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use the injector with the Menyoo for those of you that are having problems with the launcher for Menyoo. So the first thing that you're going to do, make sure that you're running the latest version of the Menyoo launcher. The first thing that we're going to do to avoid any problems, we're going to install whatever we already have right now. So in order to uninstall whatever you have right now, just open the launcher and click on the settings button right here. Make sure you uninstall if you have both Menyoo uninstall both Menyoo. If you have just one Menyoo uninstall, the point is that you have to uninstall whatever you have right now. So we're just not uninstall, we're just going to uninstall everything right now. And once that's done, make sure you apply and exit. Alright, so now that we have gotten rid of the menus, and just to be sure, we're going to go back to documents right here, go to whatever your username is. My name is Gary, so that's mine right there. See all these folders right here? The Inject files are gone except for the folders here. I know this doesn't really matter at all, but just to be safe, we're going to delete the entire thing to avoid having any problems. You just make sure you do that. Alright, now we're gonna have to install both menus back. And how do you do that? Well, make sure that you select both boxes if you want to install both of the menus, or just select one if you just want to install one. It's up to you. So in my case, what I'm gonna be doing, just to prove that both menus are actually working without any issues, I'm going to install both menus. Well, this is gonna take a while. Probably gonna have to speed this up a little bit. Alright, so once you're done installing the Menyoo, you're gonna exit the launcher by just pressing or clicking X right here, and we're gonna have to open our injector. It may vary, it depends on what these may change depending on what injector you are using. I am using Extreme Injector. So we are gonna add the DLLs for the menus. We can find these in documents. Go to documents right here, then go to username and open up your Inject folder. We're gonna add all three files. The way we're gonna do it, we're just gonna drag and drop. And once we've done that, also make sure that you have GTA5.exe on the selection box right up here. Make sure you have that. And we're gonna click on settings. You're gonna make sure that you do auto inject. Make sure that's checked. Make sure that erase PE is also checked, and also make sure the hide module is checked. So if you're doing auto inject like I am doing, make sure that you have these settings on. Make sure that you have 10,000 milliseconds up here. The delay between box doesn't really matter. You can leave that at 5, 0, whatever you want. This doesn't really matter. I'm actually just, as a matter of fact, I'm actually just gonna bring that to 0, and we're gonna hit OK. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to wherever our GTA 5 is, and we're gonna open it up. We're gonna launch the game. And there we go. Alright, so once the game is loaded up, we're gonna open the menus. To open Menyoo, press F8, and that's our first menu right there. And to open Authority, press F4.